Hello everyone. Today's topic which we are discussing in this PPT and in this video is anthropocene. It is an era where we are actually discuss that how human interaction with its environment has led to its dramatic change in its geochemical nature. Now, this Anthropocene era was being first named by Paul Crutzen. Now, Paul Crutzen has, argued after witnessing the hole in ozone layer that, as we have seen, that this ozone layer has been depleted. The hole has been because of the industrial activities which led to the emission of a lot of carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide has led to the global warming, which we termed as greenhouse effect. And unfortunately, because of it, there was a hole in the ozone layer, and hence the era in which we have been living, which the scientists always call as interglacial period, should not be termed as Anthropocene era, which is now being different from the interglacial period, because what we have done that because of human activities, the temperature have become so warm that we have pushed the next ice age further. So therefore, it is all because of human actions that the so-called geochemical nature of the earth has been changed, and therefore we cannot term it as interglacial period anymore. The same thing has been, argued by the other scholars who, say that from 19th century onwards, because of human activities, the industrial activities which have been going around the world, has caused a lot of climate change, pollution in the sea, land, and air. It has also led to biodiversity loss. A lot of natural resources were being depleted. The vegetation has been lost, forests were being cut down, so a lot of land cover has been degraded. So a kind of radical transformation of the biosphere and the geosphere has taken place. So therefore, we should term it as Anthropocene. The first thing is that this Anthropocene has been divided into three phases. So the first phase has been called as before the Anthropocene. So it is not, we cannot say that it's only in present terms that the humans have an interaction with the environment. It's from thousands of years, when the moment, man has, human evolution has taken place on this earth, its interaction with the environment has taken place. The agricultural revolution began 10,000 to 12,000 years ago. So human domesticated animals and plants and clear forests and discovered fires. But at that time, human did not possess any kind of technology. So whatever the transition was being taking place, it was taking place at a regional level. And therefore, we say that whatever the transformation was being taking place, what was so much, impacting at a large global scale. The second Anthropocene, which we called it as an industrial area, it was an era when the industries were being set up, the fossil fuels were being discovered, the machines were being invented, where we made extensive use of fossil fuels, and it led to an expansion of economic society. And because of it, there was a dramatic expansion in human population. So this again has an impact on the natural resources, nature, and environment. The sub part of it is we call it as Anthropocene 2. We call it as an age of acceleration. This started from 1945 onwards, and it is still being continued to 2015. It has been said that we call it from 1945 onwards because was an era when the Second World War was open and USA became a world power in terms of military, economic, and cultural power.